In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Opera GX not opening in Windows 11. If Opera GX won't launch on your Windows 11 computer, don't worry. In many cases, the issue can be resolved with a couple of simple troubleshooting steps. Sometimes the browser may fail to open because of a temporary permission issue, a corrupted setting, or a software bug. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a straightforward method that may get Opera GX working again. To begin, click on the Windows search bar and type Opera GX. As Windows searches for the application, you'll see Opera GX appear in the list of results. Instead of opening it normally, right-click on the Opera GX icon to display the available options. From the context menu, click Run as Administrator. Launching the browser with administrator privileges gives it elevated permissions that can sometimes resolve startup problems caused by restricted access to certain files or system resources. If Windows displays a user account control prompt asking whether you want to allow the application to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. Windows will then attempt to start Opera GX with administrator privileges. Give the browser a few moments to open and check whether it launches successfully. If Opera GX opens without any issues, the problem has likely been resolved, and you can continue using the browser as normal. You may also want to close the browser and reopen it normally afterward to confirm that it continues working as expected. However, if Opera GX still refuses to open after running it as an administrator, the issue may be related to damaged program files or a software bug. In that situation, the next step is to completely remove the existing Opera GX application from your computer. After removing the browser, obtain a fresh copy of Opera GX from its official website and complete the setup again. Replacing the existing program files can resolve problems caused by corrupted files or configuration issues that prevent the browser from starting correctly. Once the setup is complete, launch Opera GX again and verify that it opens normally. In many cases, starting the browser with administrator privileges or performing a clean reinstallation is enough to resolve this type of startup issue. That's all there is to it. You've learned two of the most common ways to fix Opera GX when it won't open in Windows 11. Start by running the browser as an administrator, and if that doesn't solve the problem, replacing the existing installation with a fresh copy is often the most effective solution. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,